Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best griddle spatula is probably one of the most underrated yet essential tools in any serious home cook's arsenal, transforming your outdoor griddle experience from merely good to absolutely legendary, allowing you to flip pancakes with precision, smash burgers perfectly flat, and scrape every last delicious bit off your cooking surface with effortless grace, making every meal a culinary masterpiece. Number 5. Heavy-duty grill scraper for Blackstone grills. This heavy-duty tool is crafted from professional stainless steel, ensuring a long service life. Its robust 1.5 mm thickness makes it incredibly sturdy and reliable for all your grilling needs. Featuring an easy-to-grip handle and a wide, sharp blade, it's designed for both cooking and cleaning. You can even hang it conveniently on the side of your grill. Equipped with beveled edges, it provides ample leverage to effortlessly remove stubborn residue. It tackles what scouring pads and soap cannot, saving you valuable time. Beyond scraping, this versatile tool helps flip food and even chop ingredients. You'll discover countless ways to use it across your entire outdoor cooking area. It's ideal for all your outdoor barbecues, whether on a Blackstone, gas, Nexgrill, or flat-top griddle. This is a must-have for anyone who frequently enjoys backyard parties and cookouts. What we like. This scraper is built like a tank for tough jobs. Its robust construction and sharp, beveled edge make quick work of stubborn residue. If you frequently tackle heavy-duty cleaning or need a tool that can also chop food, this is your go-to. What people say. Number 4. AULTONG 8-piece griddle accessory kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for flat-top cooking. It's perfect for Blackstone griddles, BBQs, camping, and all your outdoor culinary adventures. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these grill tools are heat-resistant, rust-proof, and built to last. Their ergonomic handles ensure a secure grip, making every flip and chop effortless. It includes 2 leak-proof squeeze bottles for your oils or sauces, and a sturdy cleaning brush to scrub off charred bits. These are packed conveniently for camping essentials or on-the-go grilling. These tools are not only durable but also food-safe, ensuring peace of mind with every meal. Plus, their dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup incredibly simple after a delicious cookout. Whether you're using a Blackstone, Camp Chef, or Weber grill, this versatile set gives you the freedom to cook anything, anywhere. From backyard cookouts to wilderness feasts, it empowers your culinary creativity. Looking for a thoughtful present? This set makes an ideal gift for Father's Day, Christmas, or birthdays. It's perfect for anyone who loves barbecue, outdoor cooking, or camping. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything for your flat-top cooking needs. With multiple spatulas, bottles, and a cleaning brush, it covers all bases. If you're looking for a complete set for various cooking tasks and easy portability, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Bellemain stainless steel spatula. This professional-grade 420-gauge stainless steel spatula protects your cookware. Use it with confidence in any kitchen, knowing you've chosen the best for your cast-iron griddle, barbecue, or flat-top grill. It's engineered to mix, lift, scrape, flip, and spread faster. With precise blade thickness, this kitchen tool makes home chefs' lives easier. Its mechanically beveled straight edge allows you to flip delicate eggs and chop sturdy vegetables with ease. Made from non-reactive, hygienic, and durable metal alloys, it's also completely dishwasher-safe. This spatula features a safe, stay-cool single-piece hardwood handle. Its ergonomic design is scientifically balanced for easy use, even in the busiest kitchens. Designed for your home, this heavy-gauge 420 stainless steel tool keeps your barbecue, grills, and griddles happy. It won't flex, rust, or corrode, ensuring long-lasting performance. What we like. This professional-grade spatula is designed for versatility and comfort. Its thin yet sturdy blade excels at flipping delicate items and chopping ingredients. If you prioritize a single, high-quality tool that handles many kitchen tasks with an ergonomic, stay-cool grip, this one is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Vayvnt heavy-duty stainless steel spatula turner. Crafted from extra-thick, premium stainless steel, it resists bending, cracking, or breaking. Say goodbye to flimsy tools and hello to a kitchen essential that stands the test of time. Its sleek, solid sapele wood handle is renowned for strength and durability. It stays cool to the touch, protecting your hands from heat, and offers a comfortable, splinter-free grip. The professional design features a beveled edge, making it easy to slide under food and flip with precision. Its sturdy head safely carries food, preventing bending or dropping during serving. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its non-stick, mirror-polished surface. Simply rinse with soapy water. A convenient hanging hole on the handle ensures easy storage and quick access whenever you need it. This versatile tool is perfect for daily cooking, grilling, picnics, and barbecues. Whether searing steak, flipping pancakes, or frying veggies, it adapts to all your culinary needs. What we like. This heavy-duty turner boasts exceptional durability and a premium sapele wood handle. Its robust design prevents bending, even with heavy foods, and it's simple to clean. If you need a long-lasting, comfortable spatula for daily cooking and grilling, this is a fantastic option. What people say. No positive product details could be extracted from the provided empty source. Unable to find specific product features or design points as the review source is empty. Number 1. Blackstone 1542 5-piece Griddle Accessory Toolkit. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with this comprehensive toolkit. It includes everything you need for perfect griddle meals. Use the 2 stainless steel spatulas to effortlessly flip, mix, and move food across your griddle top. They make handling any dish a breeze. The robust stainless steel scraper is perfect for maintaining a pristine cooking surface. It easily removes excess food debris and stuck-on bits. Keep your favorite liquids close at hand with the 2 squeeze bottles. Fill them with water, oil, or sauces for easy application while you cook. One is graduated for precise measurements. After a delicious meal, cleaning up is simple. All the tools in this set are top-rack dishwasher safe, ensuring quick and easy maintenance. What we like. This essential toolkit provides the core items for any griddle enthusiast. It includes 2 versatile spatulas, a scraper, and squeeze bottles for convenience. If you are starting your griddle journey and want a reliable, easy-to-clean set of fundamental tools, this kit is perfect. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.